You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say these words? How do you say citizen in French? The masculine or male is the left word here on your screen. Citoyen, 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 so that would be for men. A male citizen. Citoyenne, citoyenne. So you do insist a bit more on the N. You do pronounce the N when it's feminine. Citoyenne would be a female citizen. Citoyen, male, citoyen. Citoyenne, female, citoyenne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.